Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show you how to clear all watch history in YouTube. It is very easy and simple. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on U button. This is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here you can see history tab is here. Now tap on view all button, that is besides history tab. Now tap on three dot icon. Then tap on clear all watch history. Now you can get an warning clear watch history. There are two buttons, one is cancel and another is clear watch history. Now again tap on clear watch history. See here, your watch history is cleaned. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.